Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta tire pressure sensor. First, make sure all your tires are properly inflated to the recommended pressure. Then, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Find the TPMS reset button, usually under the steering column, and press and hold it until the tire pressure light blinks 3 times. This initiates the relearn process for your new or service sensors. After initiating the reset, you'll need to drive your Fiesta to complete the calibration. Drive at a speed above 20 miles per hour for at least 10 to 20 minutes. This allows the system to learn the new sensor ID and tire pressures. The TPMS warning light should then turn off on its own, indicating a successful relearn. Patience is key during this step.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
If the light remains on, a manual relearn might be necessary. First, ensure all tires are at the exact pressure listed on your door jamb. Next, turn the ignition to on, then off, 3 times ending in on. Then, press the brake pedal once. Finally, cycle the ignition off and on 3 more times. This sequence can sometimes force the system to recognize new sensors. If the TPMS light still won't turn off after these steps, a sensor might be faulty or require professional programming. A mechanic with specialized diagnostic tools can accurately identify the problem. They can also ensure new sensors are correctly installed and programmed to your vehicle's system. Sometimes, the only way involves expert assistance for proper sensor function.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.